Okay, so this is the second part of our video tutorial for Google Classroom. So for Google Classroom, meron tayong apat na parts. Meron tayong stream, classwork, people, at saka marks. So iisahin natin yan. So unahin muna natin dito sa stream. So dito sa stream, this is the part of the Google Classroom where you can post announcement, okay, para sa mga estudyante natin. So madali lang, click natin yung share something with your class. So, mamimili tayo kung sinong mga sections ang pwedeng makabasa ng announcement natin. So, for my case, marami na akong sections na hinahawakan. Ayan. Okay. Ngayon, may isa akong, okay, example lang po ha. Okay, so kunwari ito lang po sa section Sampaguita. So, lalagay ko, what is your favorite what is science? So let's say for example, what is science? Okay. So let's say for example, yan yung tanong mo, pwede kang mag-add ng attachment, pwedeng Google Drive, pwedeng link, pwedeng file, or YouTube. So anything na related doon sa announcement mo. So pwede nating maglagay pa dito na instruction, please watch please watch the video about COVID-19. Palitan ko na lang to. What is COVID-19 na lang. Okay, para medyo okay. COVID-19. So what is COVID-19? Please watch the attached video about COVID-19 from YouTube. Okay, so since ang YouTube ay powered by Chrome, Google Chrome, so pag click natin yung ad, meron tayong YouTube dito. So we don't need to go to a new tab and open YouTube. So ilagay po natin dito yung search po natin yung mga yung videos na related sa COVID-19 at pwede tayong mamili. Or kung yung ano, pwede kayong mag-open ng YouTube in other tab at copy na lang yung link. So for this, para mas madali, hahanap lang ako ng video related sa YouTube. Sa tingin ko medyo okay. So let's say for example, ito. Okay. And then click select and then add. So automatic mag-a-attach yung ating video. So again, pwede na natin i-click tong pause. Okay. Pero pwede din nating i-schedule kung kailan pwedeng makikita ng section na ito ang ating post. So, click natin yung schedule. Okay, so gusto ko makita nila ito ng Monday, August 3. Anong oras? 8 a.m. Okay, so ibig sabihin magpo-post ito ng August 3, 8 a.m. Okay, so schedule. Yan, so magsisave na. So ibig sabihin, okay, yung pinost ko, so meron akong one announcement. Click lang natin to para mas makita. And it will be posted on August 3 at 8 a.m. Another is that you can post, okay, same announcement for all the classes that you are handling. So I'm going to show you that again. So let's start again dito. Share something and then so, pag click mo yung 4, makikita mo yung mga sections na hinahawakan mo. So, ilang-ilang. Okay, yan. Okay. So, click natin yan. And then, what is science naman yung ating tanong? Okay. Ngayon, since multiple classes ang ating pinili, okay, pag click natin dito, hindi magbubukas or nakalock yung schedule. Why? Kasi yung scheduling, that is only good for one class. Pero since multiple classes, we have 3 classes, same post, so ibig sabihin hindi siya naka-open to. So remember kapag multiple classes, same announcement, hindi nakalock ang schedule. Bukas lang ito kapag isang class lang, okay? Pwede kang mag-schedule, okay? So, for that, okay na to, click na natin yung post. Okay? So, ito yung stream natin where you can post announcement for your students. And they can also comment.